Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to upload CV on Indeed. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Indeed. So go to Indeed. So go to indeed.com, and then once you are done, so log into your Indeed account. So once you've signed into your account, so what you're going to do, simply all you have to do is hit on this profile here. So once you've logged in, so click on this profile here on your top right, simply click on it, and then here you'll have this profile option here. So click on the profile option, and then once you click on profile option, so this will get you to your profile. So now what you're going to do is scroll down where you will see this resume or CV option here. Click on, so underneath you will see your current resume if you have updated, or if you want to update a resume, simply select on this option here, and then once you click on that option, it will open up your current resume if you have one, or if you don't have, then you can simply upload it by just clicking on these three dots here. So click on these three dots, and then what you're going to do, select this upload resume option, click on upload, and then simply select your resume or CV file that you want to upload. Select that file and then hit on open, and then that's it. And then you can just complete the uploading. So once it's uploaded, that's it. Your CV will be displayed here under your resume. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.